I'm going to show you the proper way a crank strap should be put on a crank bridle. Not like this. First I'm going to disassemble this bridle. You always work from the left side of the horse, so you're always going to pull the crank from the left side. So we go to the right side of the bridle. We need to make sure that we have two keepers on the strap. Now, right side of the bridle, crank strap comes through your roller buckle, in through your keeper. Pull that. Okay, that's the first step. Now, this crank strap has a bottom loop already, so we actually only need two more. I'm just going to take that one out. Okay, right side, pull your strap through. Now, the ideal position, the buckle should be sitting in the middle of your crank pad. Okay, so what we need to do, take your crank strap and put it through the first slot of your crank pad. Okay, so we got the strap coming through the buckle, through the keeper, through the first keeper on your pad. Now we secure the strap to the pad. Okay, the extra keeper sits here, and I'll show you why. Okay, so here we are. Now we're going to come through the bridle on the other side, and this is how you would be working on your horse. Okay, from the left side of the horse, you come through. We come through one keeper into the buckle, and now you can pull from the left side. And this is how you finish off a crank strap. You have your one keeper, your two keepers, and that's it. That way the buckle sits in the center of the pad. It doesn't move. A lot of times if you don't have it set up this way, your crank pad drops down well below the horse's jaw. And this you then adjust to whatever size you need, trim off the excess, and you have it. That's exactly how a crank strap should be put on.